quaternions. Examples: the product of two unit quaternion is a unit quaternion. Yes, we have solution. Let P and Q be a unit quaternion. P is equal to 1 plus 0 and Q is equal to 1 plus 0. So product of this PQ is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. That is equal to 1 into this calculation we have to make. So that is equal to 1 plus 0, that is unit quaternion. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. So product of two unit quaternion is a unit quaternion. So in this manner we have to see. For P and Q belongs to H, then PQ is equal to QP, and P and Q are parallel. P and Q are parallel. Hence, so this is the result we can have. So again, so if we have the product PQR of three quaternions, then the product is associativity. So product PQR of three quaternions. So then we have the product is associativity. PQ into R, that is equal to P of Q of R. That is for all PQR belongs to H. H means Hamiltonian. So in this manner, the pure quaternion or right quaternion. So that is a quaternion Q is called a pure quaternion if its real part is 0. Real part is 0, that is equal to Q is equal to 0 plus Q. Hamiltonian called it right quaternion. Hamiltonian called it right quaternion. Thus every vector V belongs to R cube is a pure quaternion. Is mean V is equal to 0 plus V. 0 plus V. We denote the set of pure quaternion by the H0. By the H0. So H is equal to Q belongs to R to the power 4. Q is a quaternion, and H0 is equal to Q belongs to R cube, such that Q is a pure quaternion. Hence H0 subset of H. Hence H0 subset of H. So in this manner we have to see, look into the. This is very important. So again we have, if we have given, suppose for A is equal to 2I minus 2J plus K, and B is equal to I plus K, then we can find the quaternions product A into B. So we have examples for solution. So AB is equal to minus A into B plus A into B. That is A into B is equal to 2I minus 2J plus K into I plus 0J plus K, that is equal to two into 1 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1, this is 3. Okay, and A into B, we have to find A into B, this is product, and A cross B. So this is equal to IJK 2 minus 2 1 1 0 1. So this is equal to minus 2 minus 0 into I plus 1 minus 2 j plus 0 plus 2 k, this is equal to minus 2i minus j plus 2k. That is, we have AB is equal to minus 3 plus minus 2j minus 3 plus minus 2i minus j plus 2k. So this is the solution for this. So we have, understand? Complex conjugate. Complex conjugate of a quaternions, let Q be any quaternions such that Q is equal to Q0 plus IQ1 plus JQ2 plus KQ3. This is equal to Q0 plus Q. So we define complex conjugate of Q as a quaternions Q star given by Q star is equal to Q0 minus IQ1 minus JQ2 minus KQ3. This is nothing but Q0 minus Q, thus the complex conjugate of quaternion thus the complex conjugate of quaternion is obtained just by changing the sign of its vector part. That is, Q star O star is equal to Q. So we have to here proof for this. Q star is equal to Q 0 plus Q star. This is equal to Q0 minus Q, and then Q star is equal to Q0 minus Q star. So that will be Q0 plus Q equal to Q. So this is the thing. So we have to see again. Theorem. for any P and Q belongs to H, then PQ over star, this is nothing but Q star into P star. Again, we have the examples. This is the theorem. Examples for any H for any Q belongs to H, Q plus Q star is equal to 2 Q0 and Q minus Q star, this is equal to 2Q. So we have to prove this, we will get the result. Norm the quaternion, norm of the quaternions. Norm of the quaternions, that is Q belongs to H, is defined and denoted by n of Q is nothing but Q into Q star, that is equal to Q star into Q. So we denote n of Q is mod of Q. This again we have the theorem for any Q belongs to Q, n square Q, n square Q is equal to mod of Q square, that is equal to Q square plus mod of Q square, this is equal to Q square plus Q1 square, Q0 square, Q1 square plus Q2 square plus Q3 square. So in this method the result will focus, we can focus the result. So for this example we have, if Q is equal to 2 plus 2i, I minus j plus k, then mod of Q square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 4 square, that is equal to 25, or Q mod Q is equal to 5. Then theorem is given again, theorem for P Q belongs to H, n of PQ is equal to n of P into n of Q, and n of Q star equal to n of q. So inverse of the quaternion. Inverse of the quaternion. So we have to let q be any non-zero quaternion, and its inverse is denoted by q inverse, and is defined by q into q inverse is equal to q inverse into q, that is equal to 1. This is equal to unit quaternions. This is in quaternions. So we have to see again the theorem. For any quaternions, suppose q inverse is equal to q star upon n square of q. So this is the result we get here. So in this manner we have to see the statement rotation in 2D. Space. So in plane the rotation is about some point which is considered as fixed and not affected by the rotation. We call this point origin 0, and attach the coordinate frame OX, Y. So how it is? So we have to, this is the 0 origin 0, X and Y. So this is the R square. There are two distinct views rotations. Two distinct views of rotation. So quaternion rotation operator, we have to look. So here replacing the quaternion rotation operator. Replacing the rotation operator A, so by quaternion Q belongs to H, so we get V is equal to Q into V. In this equation meaningful, so quantities Q and V belongs to different spaces. Q belongs to R4 and V belongs to suppose R3. and such it seems that the term QV has no meaning. QV has no meaning. It becomes meaningful. It becomes meaningful. It becomes meaningful if Q and V belongs to same space. So every vector in R cube is a pure quaternion. Every vector is a pure quaternions whose real part is 0. Whose real part is 0. Thus we can write V is equal to 0 plus V belongs to R to the power 4. And now V becomes quaternions, that is called a pure quaternions. Then QV attains meaning. So, but again we have to show that the image of W and V under Q belongs to R cube. Let us, we have to see Q is equal to Q plus Q, Q0 plus Q by definition. And QV is equal to Q0 plus Q into V plus V0. V plus V0, that is equal to Q0 into 0 minus Q into V plus Q0 into V plus 0 into Q plus Q into V. So in this way this is equal to minus QV plus Q0 into V plus Q into V. So on the right side of presence of the real part, minus QV makes QV belongs to R to the power 4. So it can be pure quaternion or the vector in R cube unless QV is equal to 0. Unless QV is equal to 0. So in this way we have to define this. Quaternion rotation. Quaternion rotation operator defined. So we define the quaternions rotation operators, that the rotation operators are LQ and LQ star